Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a new Kaiber AI video. So let's get started right away. In order to create a new video on Kaiber, go ahead and tap on Kaiber to open up the application. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, tap on My Videos at the bottom right corner to proceed with logging into your account using your credentials. After you have logged in, you will be taken into the Explore page, where you can find various different videos made by other creators. Now from this page, to create your new video, tap on the plus icon at the center, and now you have various different options to create your new video. You can transform an image or describe your idea to simply make a video. You can also capture an image by tapping on Capture Image. There is also an option to record a video and transform this video. You can also find Transform a Video option. However, these options will only be available to premium users. So go ahead and tap on any option between transform an image and describe your idea. After selecting your photo, you can simply type in your description for your idea, and you can also choose autofill from image option, as well as various other descriptions that you can add. After describing your idea, you can simply tap on the continue button at the bottom right corner, and you will be asked what kind of style you would like to use for your video. Go ahead and choose from the various different options of styles that are available. After choosing your style, tap on continue once again, and now this will begin generating your previews. Now just wait for a while until your previews are generated, and you can also change various different options based on your preference. Go ahead and tweak around with the various different settings, and you can also set the duration for your video. After confirming all of your settings, you can tap on the Generate button. You will also find the options to download the image after you choose the best image for our video. Finally, tap on the Generate button, and now you have the option to get notified when your video is ready. Just wait for this process until it reaches 100%, and now your video will be generated. Once your video has been made, you will find the video within the My Videos option at the bottom right corner. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new video on Kaiber AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.